What's going on, everybody? Got some nice little project today. As you can see by what we're looking at, we're doing some doors. What we're doing to the doors, we're hanging some doors. Where we hanging the doors? We're hanging some doors on the closet with Barndoor hardware. This is a little different. We'll just give you a little preview, a little picture. We're doing some bypass barn doors. How about that? You seen them? 2 doors on 1 rail. Yeah. We give you a little brief preview. Show you what we did already. Just 1 second. Now follow me. Brief preview of what we did. Okay, let me just give you a little brief little snapshot. Now we put the same type of doors on this closet. That's what we're doing. Okay, so we got started. So let me catch you up. Easiest way to put your hardware on. They always got, they want you to mark it. Say, this particular hardware, you got 2 different types of hardware on these barn doors, okay? You got your interior doors, which are interior hardware that's straight, okay? But then you got, this is your inside door. Then you got your outside door that's curved. Okay, they both sit the same way, but this is going to allow this door to sit right behind that door and slide on the same rail. Just going by this angle right here, this little angle. See that? Let me give you a better profile. Bam! Just don't stick it out just enough. Right, this is a little short video. Okay. Now, they always want you, the instructions say 1 9/16. 1 9/16. You measure it out. What I usually do, just a little tidbit. This is a little tip. This is how I mark mine. I put them on there. I got it over 2 inches. I usually center it on the ends of the doors. Okay, and then I just lightly, as you can see, start the hole with a smaller bit. It's supposed to be drilled with a 7/16. I start the hole with a smaller bit. To mark my spots. As you can see, mark your spots, and then I drill on through with my full 7/16. Get your nice clean holes through there. That's just a little tip. Okay, so and then we free and clear to install our hardware on there with the bolts that come. This is an excellent kit. It's an excellent kit, man. I mean, everything basically comes together. So all I got to do is slide these bolts in here, and then that's done. And then the next segment, I'm gonna show you. I want to show me installing the railing, which is very, like I say, I mean, it's very cut and dry. But this is just a light preview of installing these barn doors. But that's a little quick tip for you. Be right back.